I'll take some more cabbage and broccoli. Let's see what we want to plant out there. Cabbage day. Where are we gonna put it? Oh, I don't know. Here we go. I passed the golf course too. I was thinking maybe we should have just said fucking went golfing.
I actually thought about that today. I was like, man, if he doesn't want to film today, I'm just gonna go play golf.
Yeah. That's what gets me about this other garden. I passed the golf course, and there's a contemplation about every other time. We are at our third plot. This plot was set up from last year where we grew peppers. My good friend Robert Townsend allowed us to grow in his backyard. That's what we did. We set it up. We didn't know if we were going to grow out here this year, but time. It's April 24th, and we're kind of a little bit behind, but for brassicas, we should have kind of had them in. But since the other garden's kind of too muddy, we're going to go ahead and plant this whole garden this year. We're going to clean it up, replant it. This is a kind of an experimental garden this year too, because we're not going to lift the plastic. We're going to work on a lot of compost teas, a lot of top dressing for fertilization. So instead of sticking peppers here this year, we are going to do cabbage and broccoli, or brassicas, just to hurry up and get them out. Get them out and get them ready and get the sun on them, and see what we can get out of them. It's brassica time in East Tennessee, baby. Just work it row by row. We'll get it cleaned up quick. Believe it or not, something growing in there is better than nothing growing in there at all. The more you have roots in that soil, and you kill them off, it'll add aeration back to the soil. The worms are in there eating all the roots. Once this starts dying, it's feeding them. If there was no weeds growing, we'd have a problem. Because I doubt if the weeds ain't gonna grow, then whatever we put in there ain't gonna grow. I'll get some more mulch back in here too. Let's go grab some compost. I always offer tobacco to the land for my side of the relationship we got going. It's an offering. It says thank you. It says I appreciate it. Let's work together.
Is that a Native American tradition?
It is. We offer tobacco as like a sign of, it's a sign of, I don't know that. It's like a sign of gratefulness. Yeah, it's a sign of, I'm gonna fumble with my words a lot too because I'm thinking too much, but it's a sign of, it's a symbol of unity. It's I take care of you, you take care of me type thing. So it's, some things and a lot of things are hard to explain with a lot of this stuff, but it tells me what to do and I just do it. It's called intuition, I believe. Some things don't need to be explained. Just drop this here. Getting into drumming when I was in middle school, and then in the summertime she got me drum lessons, which kept me kind of. Yeah, see, this is dope though, ain't it? Full circle. Who's gonna make a fucking circle on a side of a hill? Yeah, this is the medicine wheel garden here. It's the beginning of it. It's a medicine wheel garden. It's got four. We're going to make it 4 sections. We're going to grow a lot of medicinal stuff out here too. I want to get with. I want to put it out to the universe too. So maybe somebody. I want to get with somebody who makes tinctures and teas, and I'm going to grow a lot of chamomile and valerian root and St. John's wort and balms and a lot of calendula. A lot of the stuff for teas out here. But I'm still going to grow vegetables out here. But every garden I've ever seen has been a square. Houses are square. Rooms are square. So I sat out here one day and I said, what am I going to do here? I just sat and I just said, I didn't say nothing actually, and then something said to me, why don't you make it a circle? And I said, yeah. We're not in a square space. We're in nature. There's nothing square in nature. Trees are around. You don't barely ever see no square trees. You don't see square clouds. You don't see a square bird. Most everything's round, so I said I'm going to make it round, and I'm going to have 4 quadrants to it, and I'm going to make it a medicine wheel garden. I'm going to build a hoop house within the next couple weeks too. I'm going to put out right there. Let me run across the street and grab my I forgot I had band practice last night. I said, yeah. I got so many things going on in my head that if it ain't in front of my 2 eyes, who knows where my mind's at? Mother Earth's gym. You could do biceps. You could do shoulders. You could do stomach workout. Let's go.